Real estate investing is an excellent way to generate passive income and build wealth. However, for beginners, the world of real estate investing can be daunting and overwhelming. With so many different strategies and techniques to choose from, it can be challenging to know where to begin. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you step by step through the process of investing in real estate as a beginner. We'll cover everything from the basics of real estate investing to more advanced techniques, including how to find properties, analyze deals, and finance your investments. Whether you're new to real estate investing or looking to take your portfolio to the next level, this guide is for you. Chapter 1. The Basics of Real Estate Investing. Before you jump into real estate investing, it's important to understand the fundamentals of the industry. Here are some key terms and concepts to be familiar with. Chapter 2. Finding properties. The first step in real estate investing is finding properties that meet your investment criteria. Here are some strategies for finding properties. Chapter 3. Analyzing deals. Once you have found potential properties, it's important to analyze the deal to determine if it's a good investment. Here are some factors to consider when analyzing a deal. Chapter 4. Financing your investment. There are various ways to finance your real estate investments, including Chapter 5. Managing your investment. Once you have purchased a property, it's important to manage it effectively to maximize your returns. Here are some tips for managing your investment. 2. Maintenance. Regularly maintain the property to ensure it remains in good condition and retains its value. Chapter 6. Advanced real estate investing strategies. Once you have gained experience in real estate investing, there are several advanced strategies to consider. Chapter 7. Real estate investing risks and challenges. As with any investment, there are risks and challenges associated with real estate investing. Here are some potential pitfalls to be aware of. Conclusion. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to generate passive income and build wealth. By understanding the basics of real estate investing, finding profitable properties, analyzing deals, financing your investments, and managing your properties effectively, you can create a successful real estate portfolio. Additionally, advanced strategies such as house hacking, the BRRRR strategy, syndication, and flipping can provide even more opportunities for growth. However, it's important to be aware of the risks and challenges associated with real estate investing and to carefully evaluate potential investments before making a purchase. With the information and strategies outlined in this guide, you can confidently start your real estate investing journey in 2023.